Hi guys, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix sandbox error code 0 into 8007057. The parameter is incorrect. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, first of all press on Windows key, then type here turn Windows feature on or off. Open this option. Now you can see here Hyper-V. If this option is unselect, you should select. Then here a little bit scroll down. Select or check Windows Sandbox option also. Then click on OK. Wait for some time. After that, close this window. Then open a Windows 11 setting. Then click on Windows Update. If there any update pending, then update your Windows. After doing this, once you restart your PC or laptop, fix your problem. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.